Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for clicking to watch. Welcome to baby Kelez TV. Alright, to all my old and new subscribers, I want to say thank you so much guys for always being here, for liking, for commenting, for sharing our videos. May God Almighty richly bless you all. Alright guys, without taking much of your time, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make tomato stew without tin tomato, or without tin tomato, or without tomato paste, right? Is it what they call it, the tin tomato puree or tomato paste? Okay, so guys, these are what I'm going to be using here. I have my fresh tomatoes. Here I'm using 5 kilos. Okay, you can use any quantity of your choice. And some bell pepper. Sorry, I'll be adding more, 1 bell pepper here. I have some ginger, garlic, and this paprika or cayenne pepper or bell pepper kind of. You all know that these peppers, bell pepper and this pepper, they give it a nice color. Okay, and some chili pepper. So I'm not going to be using the whole chili pepper that is in here. I will take some of it, and yeah, this is basically what I'm going to be using for this recipe, because I'm going to blend all these things together. Okay, cook it and allow the water to dry. So that is why I'm showing you all this. These are the things I'm going to mix together and blend it. So guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and wash them, have it blend. I will get back to you guys. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Turn the notification bell on, that way you always be notified whenever I upload. Thank you if you have done that, and see you guys. Okay guys, I've already washed the tomatoes, and this is the quantity of pepper I'm going to be using. So here I have the peppers, the chili pepper, the bell pepper. I've already removed the seed, okay, and pieces it, like cut it to this shape. And actually I don't really know what this pepper is called. Okay, sometimes I call it cayenne pepper, sometimes I call it paprika pepper. I don't know the right name for this, so please, if you know it, can you leave the name and the comment section for me? Okay, or maybe it's specie or part of the bell pepper as well. So I normally use it. Okay, yeah, and my ginger and garlic. So I'm gonna blend all these things together. These are what I'm gonna blend, then I'll get back to you guys. So guys, I'm done blending. As you guys can see, it's already boiling, so I'm gonna let it dry completely, okay, before I will get back to you guys. All right, yeah, to avoid. Okay guys, we still have some water in here, so I'm gonna let the water dry properly. You can see water over there, can you see that? So I'm gonna let it dry properly, then we will start the cooking. Okay, yeah, keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you so much. So guys, the next thing we're gonna do is to add our vegetable oil. First, I allow my pot to get dry, then I'm adding my vegetable oil. Okay, so I'm gonna allow this to heat up before I'll pour in my onion. Excuse me. So guys, I'm going to allow the oil to heat up before I will put my onions. Okay, as you can see over here, I'm frying my chicken. Okay guys, I'll go ahead and put my onion. Next is my fresh tomatoes. So that is the fresh tomatoes that we blend, cook, allow the water to dry. So here it is. I'm going to be using it for this stew. Okay. So guys, after 10 minutes, as you can see, our tomato has dried properly. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken stock. Okay, so guys, I'll go ahead and pour in my chicken stock because I don't want all these things in here. I don't know what to call these things for you guys. Yeah, my daughter is helping me to hold the silver. Okay guys, the chicken stock water isn't enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more water to this. So guys, at this point I'm gonna cover it, allow it to boil first. Okay. So guys, after some minutes, for about 10 minutes, you can see our stew is boiling here. Okay, so now I will go ahead and add some curry powder. Please, you can season with any season of your choice. Okay, some salt to taste. Some seasoning powder. So guys, I'll go ahead and stir it. Now I will test for salt. If you need to adjust anything, you need to add more, you go ahead and do so. So now I'll go ahead and add my mackerel fish. So guys, you can also remove the excess oil. Okay, you can still have more oil in here. I will remove that later. I will drain that out later. Okay, so now I'm going to cover everything to cook for the last time, and our stew is ready. Alright guys, our delicious yummy stew is ready. Okay guys, as you can see, I removed the excess oil behind the camera because I'm avoiding this video not to be too long. And if you guys can notice, I did not show you guys where I cooked the chicken. Reason is because I have the video already on this channel. Okay, in case if you're interested to see how I cooked my chicken, you can check the link in description box. All right, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, like and share. Ensure you take this to your kitchen to make and enjoy. Bye, and see you guys in my next video.